Hi viewers, welcome back. This is Dr. Jana and we'll be exploring graphics in R programming, and mainly we'll be covering graphics, pie chart, box chart, and all the things we'll be covering today. So you can see beautiful pictures here. These are the pie charts. In R, the pie chart is created using the pie function. So we'll be using a function pie, this function, which takes positive numbers as a vector input. We can create a vector, and we know using this C function we can provide the output there, and the additional parameters are used to control, just like the labels, colors, title, etc. So for example, pi x comma label x is the something, the data what you are putting, the labels you are putting it here. For example, here some percentage there, 20, 30, 40, these are all the x, and the labels I am giving here the city names: Singapore, New York, London, Mumbai. Then the radius also you can put it here, what is the radius of this chart, and what is the main, what is the column, it will take clockwise. Say first one, this one, this one, this one, like that, in this order it will take it. Okay, so now once we work on these things, we will have clarity. Now let us go for this program. You can clearly see in our studio I am creating data for this graph. Okay, I am going for this pie chart. You see here, using this C function I am providing data 21, 62, 10 and 53. You can take any value. I have taken all the things and I put it in this X. Okay, then the labels I am putting it using this C function also. I am putting this arrow mark. I am putting London, New York, Singapore and Mumbai. All the things I am putting. So we can give a name for this chart also. Suppose I want the PNG file, and name is equal to city.jpg, because these are all related to city. I put it city.jpg. You can give a name, so it will be saved in this thing. Okay, then for plotting this chart, just use this function pi x comma labels. Okay, you can put other parameters also, just I'm putting x and labels, so it is enough for them. Then using this devops function, it will be just in 1 second it will be there, but it will be stored there. You cannot see it here, it won't come here, because I'm using the dev.of function. So what you need to do, that it will be saved there. I will show you all things. Okay, now let it be there, and now I run this program. Once you run this program, you can see it is running successfully, and yeah, it is not running. It is running, and the file will be shown there also. Or if you want to go for the entire thing, before that you do one thing, you clear this thing, just go for Ctrl L, it will be cleared, and then go for the source, and you can clearly see the function is running, and it is stored in the city.jpg. Okay, city.jpg already I have shown that one. It is here, I think. You can see the document, you can go here and you can see the city.jpg. Maybe it is, I already taken it to the E drive. I think I have taken in the E drive, and I already put it there in a folder. Just I am going for this R program. So just give me a minute time, just I'll open that where it is stored there. So I go for this R program. Here in the R program, just you check the city. Okay, so you can see the city, the graph is stored here. Okay, now you can see you have the graph like this. So what is the things you have given here? This and clockwise it is London, Mumbai, Singapore, New York, all things it is coming. And what is the number you have given it here, that percentage it is automatically down here. Okay, so this is the thing, you can do it here. And again I go back to our R programming. In this R programming, so this is the program number 11 I have given. Now immediately I am going to the program number 12. In this program number 12, you can see it here, same thing I am putting it here, London, New York and all things. But here you can see I am putting, previously it was a x and label. I am putting parameter main is equal to city pie chart. Okay, this will be the main title. Then previously that main I have not given, it was not showing. Now color, it is showing rainbow color like that, and the length is equal to x. So saving these things, it will be saved there, where the file name is city underscore title underscore color.jpg, and you just save it. Are you following me? So what I'm telling, the X data is provided the same data. The labels are provided clockwise London, New York, Singapore and Mumbai. And the file it is saved with city underscore title underscore color.jpg, and plot the color chart. So then it is there. Then I am putting for this pie function for putting this pie chart, and here X and labels are there minimum to show that one. But I am writing the main, this is like the title I am putting on the top, then the color I am putting the rainbow color, and length is equal to X I am putting it here, right? So with all the things we save it here, and if you try to run this program, yeah, go for these things and run it. So you'll see that it will store, where is the file name? The file name you can find, uh, the file name is city underscore title dot color dot jpg. Okay, now you can go there and you can see, yeah, it is city underscore title underscore color, you can clearly see. And you can see, now you can see, previously the title was not coming, now the title it has come, because while you're giving main city pie chart, the same thing it is appearing it here, and then in clockwise it is London, Mumbai, Singapore and New York it is coming, and beautiful colors also, so rainbow color I have given, all these colors also it is coming, right? So in this way we can go for our pie chart, and again we can go. So this is the program number 12. Now we are moving to the program number 13. Here in the program number 13 we are going for bar chart. So you know what is the bar chart. Bar chart just like the just like box like things it will come in. The same thing I am putting here. I am putting h one vector I am putting here with the c function 7 12 28 3 and 41, this data I am putting. So this will be stored in this bar chart.png that I put it here. Then for plotting we by using for bar plot, we use the function bar plot of what, of this h data what I have taken it here. Okay, then cat deb dot up is okay. This is not necessary. Anyway, you don't work for these things, it will be there. So you show this one or don't show also, it doesn't make a data. So just go for these things and remove this thing also, as it was unable to auto save this file. Okay, don't worry. Okay, then yeah, then just remove this one also. Okay, so control s, so I save this file. Okay, saving it again. Okay, don't worry, so this is there. So now what I have to do, I have to run this program. Once I take it and run this program, you can run it here. So you can see now it is stored in bar chart.png. Okay, you go there and see it here. You can clearly see bar chart, a b c d, bar chart will be there somewhere, a b c d, line chart it is coming, bar chart bar chart it is first one in the bar chart it is coming. You can clearly see the bar chart. Bar chart it is just like the gray color it is coming, all these things it is coming here, you can see it here. Okay, so we can also give colors, and we can give all the things by just giving some parameters. We can do that one, right? So now what I need to, this is the program number 13 I have run for you. Control s for saving this one. It is saying it is unable to save this one, leave it. So then go for this program number 14. This program number 14 you can see I am having h and m2 I am giving it here. Here h is equal to the value I am putting using the c function 7 12 28, and also the m some month I am putting it here, March, April, May, June, July, like that I am putting. So it will be stored in the some revenue, that it will be stored in the bar chart underscore month revenue.png. So for plotting, so I put it bar plots because bar plots it is there for these things, and h name. Okay, then argument m, x level is the month, etc., y level is the revenue, color, all the parameters I put it here and I put it here there. Then once you do all the things like this, then select it and go for this source or run, whatever things are there. Okay, by selecting all the control A, and then you either run it or click the source. So by running, where it will be stored, it will be stored bar chart underscore month revenue.png. So already I have run it here, you can show it here, you can see it here, bar month revenue. Okay, if you double click and see it here, you will have the beautiful color here, and all the charts you can, revenue chart you can clearly see for the month of March, April, May, June, July, you can also see it here. Fine. Similarly we can run some other programs here also. Yeah, this is the program number 14 was there, so I am going for the program number 15. Okay, so program number 15 is not there, it seems here. In that case we can open control O for opening, and I can go for program number 15. So 15.r it is there. Yeah, it is there, program 15 and open. So you can clearly see this is a file, you can see this is also for bar plot, and I am putting the main here also total, and also I am putting some color and all things I am putting it here, and the level also, x level, y level, all the thing I am putting it there. Okay, previously it is not there. What I am writing it here. So here revenue is coming, total revenue is there, it will be there in the main, and the name dot argument, all the things it is coming here. Whatever the parameters you want to put it here, you put it here. The remaining it was same. The values I put it here, this is the, it is a matrix with the c function, that 2 3, all the things I have given it here. So number of rows and number of columns also I have given here. So once you make it, it is just creating a just like create the matrix of these values for this thing. Now once it is there, and it will be saved with the name, that is bar chart underscore stacked.png. Okay, so save it here, control s, then select all the things, control A, and run this thing. Once you run, you can see this there, bar chart underscore stacked dot. Okay, you come on here and see it here, bar chart stacked. Okay, In this bar chart stacked, you can clearly see. So it is a stacked manner. It is coming different colors. You can see it here, east, west, north. All the total revenue we can see it here. So all these things it is given just in a stack manner. You know already stack and queue. So in this stack manner, there with different colors, all the things it is shown here, right? Because for the three data I am putting in one bar, it will be so this is for east and this is for your west and this is for north. For all these three, all these various values are available there. All these three colors. Okay. From this also you can clearly understand, right? Then we move back to this is the program number 15 we are running. Then we can go to the program number 16. For program number 16 is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is not there. So in that case don't worry, just control O, already I have written this program for you, and go for this program number 16. So in this program number 16 you can see it here. Yeah, see, yeah, right. Okay, open it here. This program number 16, just I am going to create a histogram. So you have some idea about this histogram, and you know this histogram is very important while you are going for these things like image processing or similar type of things, signal processing. They will be using this histogram. Okay, so here I created a vector just like these things. With the C function I put all this data there. So this thing after the histogram it will be stored in the file histogram.png. So for creating histogram you are using the hist function, hist function. So here I am putting v. What is the v? V the data I am putting here. Then x label I am putting weight. Column it will be color will be yellow and border will be blue. All the things will be there and there. So now get it now. So select all the things, control A. Once you select it and so run it here also. After running you can clearly see where it is. So bar chart.png, bar chart.png. Come on here and check. This is not good. So bar chart.png you can see here. Bar chart, yeah, bar chart. Can you see it here? It was there, no? Sorry, histogram. It will have bar chart, histogram. So in the histogram you can see, clearly see the histogram. All the data it is coming here, right? So I hope it was histogram. One more time check it here. So it is to be histogram.png. Okay, histogram. Color is yellow I have given, and the one value I think it is there very less, some 12 or like that. That's, oh sorry, 8. That's why it is coming very less. So nothing to worry about all the things. Now you can clearly see. So this is our thing. Okay, so in the histogram, x-axis is representing weight and the y-axis is representing the frequencies, and the histogram of v velocity or something like that, it is represented by this histogram diagram, right? So in this way we can also write some other number of programs. So let us go to program number 17 or control A. Control A open, and I go to the program number 17. In this program number 17, yeah, you can see another two programs will run, nothing to worry. So program number 17, you can see I am going for histogram, but here I am putting the different border colors and other colors. So all the things I am putting it here. Okay, so the same here I am putting it here, the data for this graph. Then png file it will be histogram underscore lim.breaks. Okay, so this is the thing, it will be saved in a new file. So create a histogram, the same command histogram, but here the parameters I am just changing it here, right? So develop and you save it and run it here. So file name you can go for histogram underscore lim in, okay, histogram underscore lim this breaks. Okay, so if you see it here, yeah, it is with different color. You can see the same graphs, it is some different dimension also it is coming, right? So you will have some idea about how we are creating all things. So you just observe what are the function we are using. For histogram I am using the histogram function. For bar chart, I am using the barcode diagram. Okay, so now we have successfully run this program number 17. Control O, we are going for program number 18. In our program number 18, yeah, let us see what is the program. Program number 18 we can have yeah, it just open 3210, right? So I am going for plotting line chart. I'm going to plotting a line chart. So this, I think with this will end our video, nothing to worry, the remaining will take in the next video. So in this we can plot a line. For this what I do, I created a vector v, and here c function using 7 12 28 3 and 41, these are the values I'm putting it here. So this will be saved with line underscore chart.jpg, and plot, for plotting a line chart you just put it plot v and type is equal to 0. So save the files and all this, right? So now control A, save it and just run this program. Once you run, you can see it is running successfully. Yeah, not run, yeah, successfully, and it is stored as what is the file name, line underscore chart. Okay, go to there and see the line underscore chart, line underscore chart. This is the file. You can clearly see lines is there, and you can also make it colorful. So I hope you have understood these things till now, and you can use all the things, you can explore a lot of things, and especially as I told you that, so this R programming has the upper hand in comparison to Python, because with very less compacted commands we can do a miracle on the statistics and this type of data. Thank you for watching this video, and if you really like this video, please share with your friends, and also give a thumbs up to this one also, and don't forget to subscribe so that all this new and latest video will reach to you without any delay. Thank you once again, and wish you all happy Vinayak Chaturthi. Have a good day. Thank you.